The Motorola RMU2040 is a 2-watt, 4-channel analog two-way radio with 89 business-exclusive frequencies along with a rugged design. For those utilizing this Motorola radio, it's often important that their communications be hands-free in order to allow for more freedom in a hands-on environment. Some accessories which are great options in optimizing communications include 2-wire surveillance kit earpieces. For more discreet communications, this 2-wire earpiece is a great option. Simply connect to the radio, lace the wire through your shirt, and clip the earpiece to your collar. Lastly, wrap the clear coil around your ear. A memory foam ear tip is included in order for this earpiece to form to the ear canal. This accessory is not only discreet, but it is also comfortable. When properly cleaned, teams can utilize different memory foam ear tips and share these accessories with others. Deshell earpiece. Harsher work environments require a more durable accessory. Deshell earpieces are great for those who need an earpiece which will secure to the ear while providing optimal clarity for message send and receive. Single unit charger. When utilizing two-way radios, a charger is a requirement in order for your handhelds to remain charged and ready for the day ahead. A single unit charger is a great option for teams with fewer radios, or if you just need a personal charger for your individual product. 6-bank multi-unit chargers. Having a working charger on hand ensures that your two-way radios are always charged and ready for use. Multi-unit chargers, however, allow for the consolidation of a team's two-way radios. Rather than utilizing several single-unit chargers which take up more outlet space, a multi-unit charger enables multiple radios to be charged at the same time and accounted for. Replacement batteries. Replacement batteries are probably the most valuable accessory to have on hand for your two-way radio system. As batteries age, they lose power more quickly. Having extras will ensure that you never lose communication with your team for extended periods of time. Two-Way Direct offers a cost-effective solution for two-way radio replacement batteries with their Two-Way Direct brand. The TWD B4434 is the model for the RMU2040 two-way radio. These Two-Way Direct brand batteries not only offer comparable quality and fit, but they tend to possess even longer life. For more information on accessories which work with the Motorola RMU2040 two-way radio, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back with you.